What are the highlights of future and option workshop?
Okay. The future on option workshop, as the name suggests, is all about the training to make the ability, is all about making the trainee understand all the important terms, specifications, power concepts required to understand the trading of futures and options. Futures and options, as you are aware, that's are derivative products. They have element of leverage. That's why they are very highly attractive to a lot of people, especially who are first timer to market. And a lot of people have do that trading without understanding it. And that's why this workshop is an endeavor to make him understand the facts that he should know while trading this. Facts like about expiry, facts about settlement of futures and options. In fact, there is a real recorded case of a person not trading for a while, but not knowing the real facts. In 25th January 2017, that person in last 5 minutes of option trading, a retail guy, he had a 12,000 rupees in account. He lost 18 lakh rupees. Now, how that happened is a long story. So basically, in 10 minutes time, he lost 18 lakhs, and it's a recorded one, which I explain in my workshop. So just because he didn't know the facts about the expiry of the options, and he just simply blindly traded based on some understanding. So that's why we focus in this workshop to explain each and every fact about the expiry and settlement of futures and options, how to arrive at the fair value of these futures and options, because these are derivative contracts, how their pricing is interrelated to the spot, and how do you understand both in relation to each other. In fact, the futures, options, spot, all are interrelated to each other. You will also get an insight on how to interpret open interest, which is a very important concept to understand market dynamics like price direction, support resistance to his advantage when he's trading. He will also get a complete understanding of how the options are priced, which affects, which factors affect the option price. He will get a complete understanding of that. He will learn over 10 option strategies and when to use which option strategies, so that he can suitably choose the right strategy apt for the right situation, for the current market situation where we're trading. He will also learn how to use options to generate income. A lot of people are not aware, but options can be used to generate income on their existing stock or mutual fund portfolio. So we even explain that, as well as hedge those portfolios against market volatility. So these are the highlights of the futures and option workshop.
Which major tools and principles are explained in the workshop?
Okay. The major topics which will be taught in the workshop will include understanding of details of equity and index futures. We will cover concepts like basis, cost of carry, leverage, payoff, margins, mark to market, VWAP, settlement, expiry, rollover. It will also be explained open interest analysis of equity futures using fresh longs, fresh shorts, how long unwinding, short covering, how all these actually impact the pricing. Understanding of equity and index options will be explained with, like I said, emphasis on understanding the expiry, settlement, and a very important concept of option volatility will be explained using a tool like IV chart. We will also explain a Nobel Prize winning model to explain option pricing, which is Black-Scholes option pricing model, and the option Greeks, which are the price sensitive, which are the sensitivity factor of option premium, such as delta, gamma, vega, and theta will be explained in practical terms to the participant. Option strategies which we will teach will include buying and selling calls and puts, expiry week strategies, spreads of different types like bull call, bear put, income spreads, straddles, strangles, covered calls, protective puts, and iron condor. These all strategies will be taught. Open interest analysis will be explained using tools like put call ratio charts and option pain charts.
What is more risky, futures or options?
Futures, without doubt.
And what is more rewarding?
For the simple reason that they do not pose, yeah, futures without doubt are more risky, as without doubt, they, they do not possess the inherent risk management ability of options. So that's why futures.
What is more rewarding, futures or options?
If you look at rewarding, then options without doubt, because in terms of ROI, options are unbeatable. Especially in our workshop, we teach a special expiry week strategy called low risk, high reward option strategy, which actually shows how during expiry week options can give explosive returns, which can unlikely seen in any other instrument. So if you look at ROI terms, options will be the more reward.
How open interest helps in understanding the future stock prices of the stock?
Open interest is actually the sum total of total outstanding positions of all option contract at any point of time. So the idea behind tracking open interest is actually to use it as a tool to track the action of the big players. The big players, when I refer, I mean the institutional players, as their movements actually impact market big time. So the changes of open interest shows exactly how the markets are poised to move. They actually show the very important support resistance lies, and some of the most important turning points are actually made very clear when you analyze and apply the understanding of open interest. So that's how open interest will be taught or understood in the workshop.
What is the feedback of trainees in your F&O workshop?
Like I said earlier, already all what I'm telling is actually posted, by my trainees publicly in the Google. Over 1,500 reviews are there. So here is some feedback which anybody also can read. I'm just reading out from what they have given the feedback. See, most of them felt very clearly that the workshop delivered was excellent and it was eye-opening, because the facts what we cover in the workshop, they said these informations are not publicly available. In fact, they said they're amazed that there could be so many information which they were not aware of, because even some of them have been trading for options for years and still they were not aware that these kind of information exists. So they all agreed that the content was extremely informative and their understanding of futures and options increased dramatically. Most of them loved the program. They actually, they asked for more future programs to be attended, and they found it very practical, very informative, and highly recommended with value for money is the terms they used. They felt the basics of futures and options being a kind of a slightly more complicated topic was explained in a very easily understandable manner. And actually real practical knowledge was transferred to them. The real wisdom for trading was transferred to them. They especially like the way I explained the deeply mathematical models, like I referred earlier. All those deep mathematical model based strategies I explained by relating to very simple examples, which I use in my workshops to explain those kind of stuff. So they really felt that was a highlight, and they really said that they now know how to combine trades using cash, futures, and options from the knowledge what they learned and the new techniques what they understood from the workshop. So in a nutshell, the feedback was that the faculty was extremely sound one who knows the real breadth and depth of the options. And when they combine this knowledge with the with the ability of Traders Cockpit software, which is a real-time tool to analyze market, they have said that they have become extremely confident of identifying opportunities and making profitable trades after attending the workshop. In fact, a person sent me a video. It is there on the YouTube channel that shows that he said in that video he made 8 consecutive profit making trades after attending the workshop using the knowledge applied in the workshop, which was a first time for him. And I'm sure it will be amazing for any other person also to achieve that in a leverage instrument like options.
Do you teach technical analysis about commodities also?
Yeah, I use examples from MCX, from gold and all that to cover in the workshop, from crude and all that. I do use that. I do cover commodities as a reference point to explain in technical workshop. But the logic or real principles are not different for commodities or principles. So it's a, I use that as a reference to make sure that they, that the principles are same. In order to demonstrate that, I in fact show them examples from other from commodities.
How much part of trading should form of the total portfolio?
How much part of trading should form of the total portfolio? I would say I will go upper cap, because I am sure people, I don't want it to cross. I would say it should not be more than 25%, because it's the other way. Most people will go all out to do trading, because trading is much highly leveraged and highly the returns are much higher. So I would say it should be 5 to 25%. Anything less than 5% will be too small of the total portfolio capital. Anything up 25% will be too large a person. Let's say 5% for most conservative. This is a kind of thing I will say. But obviously use for trading. So obviously there are always what do you say, exceptions to the rule, and obviously people can use their own discretion, but my advice will be in that.
And age factor also you take into consideration.
Yeah, I could not. What factor?
Age factor also you take into consideration.
Age factor. Yeah. So I would say, yeah, I will. For example, I'll tell you. You know who is the biggest option trader in the world? Is Warren Buffett, and he's what? When he did his when he made a $2 billion in a quarter in option trades, he was 85 years old. So I would say if you are less than 90 years old, you can trade options, as showed by Warren Buffett. More than 90 years, I would say you can take a rest from this. But I don't think so. Warren Buffett would have crossed 90 by should be about to cross 90 or already crossed 90, and I don't think so. He's stopping it. So I would say age is not a barrier, because Warren Buffett shows that age is not a barrier. So if you use Warren Buffett an example for everything, then use Warren Buffett for example for option trade. Warren Buffett has a record of making a $2 billion in a quarter in option trade. So I am, and at age of, like I said, 83, 85 he was when he did that. So I don't know what to say. What about age? Age is a what do you say? Is a state of mind.
That must be against his portfolio. That must be against his large portfolio.
Yeah, obviously he. If you know, Warren Buffett holds huge amount of cash in his portfolio. So obviously that cash has to be used in margin for something. So he uses that cash to use that for trade the option portfolio. That's why. And $2 billion is not a small amount. It is more than the quarterly profit of Reliance Industries last quarter, which is the highest profit of any Indian company. That much he made few years back in options. That's the highest somebody I have heard has made in options in a quarter.
So any other important point or highlight or story you may like to share?
I think I already did share, how a person lost with lack of knowledge, 18 lakhs in 10 minutes. How Warren Buffett made $2 billion in a quarter. I think those two are in option trades. So I think those are two remarkable stories, which I did cover. But and then the fact that somebody came, and people still think option is a gambling and all that, and many people are not aware about the real facts of options. So I would what I would give as a message to anyone who wants to understand videos, that the lesson what you should, whenever you want to do anything in life, you should spend some time, energy, and understanding it. So when that is true for every subject we do, whether we do any kind of like medical or law or accounts, you spend so much time in learning that subject. So why not spend some time, energy, and money in learning a subject like a